Hearing is resumed. So to formally start ang ating committee hearing, please allow the chair to deliver his opening remarks. This is very short. Para lang po maumpisahan natin itong ating committee hearing. To our Senior Deputy Speaker Aurelio Dong Gonzales, the principal proponent of the hearing of the Quadcom, to our Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez, to co-chairs Joseph Caraps Paduano, Chairman Dan Fernandez, Chairman Benny Abante, Vice Chairman Romy Acop, my esteemed colleagues, Honorable former President Rodrigo Duterte, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Mayong buntag, Mr. President, maradyaw na buntag, o maayab, ayabak po in Kapampangan.